when we're talking about planetoids and planets, the idea about Pluto is that Pluto is part of the Kuiper Belt, right?
It's the first and currently known largest member of the Kuiper Belt. And it makes sense. You know, we didn't even know the Kuiper Belt existed in 1930.
Yeah.
So for us, it's just the ninth planet. But it's the tiniest and the littlest, and it's got a weird orbit that crosses the orbit of other planets, and that's a little weird, but we'll grandfather it in. Okay, Pluto. And then, wait a minute, you have brethren. In the 1990s, we discovered other objects out there with similar orbits to Pluto. So maybe Pluto is not the ninth planet. It's the first object in a new swath of real estate discovered in the outer solar system called the Kuiper Belt. And that's where it stands right now.
And this Kuiper Belt, there was some speculation. Now, I read this quite a while ago, so forgive me. But there was some speculation that we might be in some sort of a binary star system, and there might be like a burnt out star that's way, way, way outside of our solar system.
Yeah, I mean,
and that's causing the galactic shelf to drop off. Like this Kuiper Belt is responding to some other gravity that's way out there. Is that correct?
Okay. So
did I garble all that up?
You mix like 3 or 4 different scenarios.
That's common for me.
There was a while there where we looked at the extinction records of species on Earth and found some periodicity to it. I forgot, was it every 20 million years or something? There was some period that repeated where the fossil records showed a dramatic drop, or a mild drop in the species count from one layer to the next in the geological sediment. And so if this has a rhythm to it, there is nothing in the solar system that has a 20 million year rhythm. So someone suggested maybe the sun has a really eccentric, as in its orbit, it's in a binary star system where there's another star that plunges in through the solar system, coming through the Kuiper Belt, and then goes back out in this dance with the sun. So we wouldn't have seen it in our civilization, because this is all right. But when it does that, it disrupts the Kuiper Belt gravitationally. And if you do that, you will send a rain of comets down, a higher than average rate of comets down into the inner solar system, and then you could render many life forms extinct on Earth, just the way we lost the dinosaurs